Green World Clear Lung Tea. The lungs are one of the hardest working organs in the body. They expand and contract up to over 28,000 times a day to supply oxygen to be distributed to tissue all over the body and expel carbon dioxide that has been created throughout the body. Our lungs do have natural defense system protecting them from germs and large particles like dust and pollen. Though intensified air pollution exacerbated by industrial waste gas, automobile exhaust fume, domestic kitchen smoke, harms lung tissue directly and bypasses or weakens those important defenses. Some lung diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and emphysema can be triggered or worsened by severe air pollution. A new study in The Lancet, developed by an international group of experts, finds that outdoor air pollution, especially fine particulate matter, contributes to more than 3.2 million premature deaths around the world each year. Our respiratory system has 3 lines of defense. In the first line of defense, inhaled bacteria are trapped by mucus and are swept toward the pharynx. Bacteria which penetrate the mucus layer will be killed by the antimicrobial peptides, the second line of defense. Those bacteria that are resistant to antimicrobial peptides are killed by a variety of reactive oxygen species produced by phagocytes. In a third line of defense, and as a last resort, persistent bacterial infections, which escape the innate immune system, are eliminated by the adaptive immune system. That is why chronic respiratory diseases are common among people with compromised immune system. Chordate Hutinia is crowned as the natural antibiotics of plant source by Chinese herbalists. It has been approved to be able to inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Diplococcus, pneumonia, the pathogen microorganisms that cause respiratory infection. Chrysanthemum is a natural coolant and helps in lowering the temperature of the body and battling against the chronic infection. Traditionally, bulbous lily and apricot kernel are used for relieving cough and asthma. The alkaloids and amygdalin have been approved to be able to kill cancerous cells. Exocarpium citri rubrum dissipates phlegm and helps the excretion of the sputum. The routine medication for chronic respiratory diseases is centered by steroid drugs and antibiotics. Neither of this medication can be used for long. If you live in an air-polluted environment or have smokers around, take Green World Clear Lung Tea as a preventative measure. If you happen to have respiratory disease, consider this herbal tea as an alternative. You won't be able to control the air you breathe in, but you can decide how well your lungs work on the air you inhale.